I'll get him following
Yeah, it's recording. Get him hanging upside down.
He's got his wings spread out.
He's gonna hang there. He ain't gonna do it now. Watch. Okay, there. Try to get him. Oh, let's get a flip. He did a flip. Oh my God.
Oh,
I've never seen a bird act like that.
How much would you get him for?
Well, it doesn't matter because that's the price.
Oh, he's so cute.
What you pay? Keep doing your finger. Try again to do it. He'll do it. Get up and do it, bird. Oh my God, he's just laying there on his back. That is so weird. He's not stuck,
He's trying to do it.
He's not stuck, is he? I have never seen a bird sit there and lay on his back.
Wait a minute. Are birds supposed to have legs? Oh wait, that is.
Yeah. Oh my God. That is freaky. Get him. Oh, do it. Watch, he's not gonna do it because we're taping him. He's camera shy.
Oh my gosh, I really is camera shy. He's like, boom, boom.
Oh my God, that's crazy.
He is so cool. Take a picture of him.
Do it, bird. Hold on. I want him to do the trick so I can show Mickey. Well, no, not really. Get up and do it, birdie.
Birdie! Oh, if we got him, could we name him Birdie?
No, we're not getting him, can't we?
I know. But every time I
Stop the video.